We got the market which is down 2%, well, 355 points lower. How is the week going to look like? That's the other question. It's just going to be down 1.7%, because for the bulk of the week, the market was moving higher. And only today, it's seen this a sharp cut, but just about 1.7 lower for the week. Kunj, of course, is still with us. Kunj, you like auto names, names like Mahindra and Mahindra, Motherson Wiring Systems. I mean, you want to talk us through those names?
Yeah, sure, Prashant. So few things. One, first in the context of market. Now today we have market so sharply down, and over the last few days, if we take from the peak of around 18,000, we are down. So it was hardly till yesterday, day before that, as a whole market was falling over each other to buy these stocks, as if there'll be no tomorrow and when will we get it. So why not take the advantage of such a sharp correction and buy all these stocks are down 3-4% today, and from their peak easily 7-8%. So Mahindra and Mahindra, even at its peak, was on a relative basis cheaper compared to its peers in terms of valuation, P ratio, and we all know the kind of waiting list that they have for different models across their offerings. Now with this correction at about 1250 odd, it has become even more cheaper. So to me it looks like, and also as a general investment philosophy in these kind of market, it's better to get in first in the large cap, because any next recovery, they will be the ones. Still going from the auto to auto ancillary, Motherson Wiring is the other stock which we all know got demerged from the original Motherson Sumi. Now this is a company which caters to the needs of all the electrical vehicle makers in India as well as abroad. Again, on a valuation basis, it has always been expensive, but it keeps becoming expensive. Again, today it's offering a good correction in the market to buy. So in my view, it's a good time to buy these stocks. Market can come down a little bit. Let's also keep in mind that for auto sector, metal prices have been continuously coming down. In fact, you yourself tweeted few days ago, the oil price has been coming down. We are in the festival season, so demand hopefully should pick up. The secondary market check already shows that. So all things are in place.
All things are in place. By the way, just pull out the intraday chart of Infosys and just look at the heavy-duty selling which happened here in the last 30 minutes of trade, and look at the kind of volumes that it generated. Just see that. I think candlesticks perhaps would be a better explainer here, but this selling has come on some very large volumes. It looks like as if someone just wanting to get out of this one. Now, Kunj, is this getting oversold? Would you look to take some bet here, or just avoid it?
I would think so. In market so on one hand, for Indian market, we always keep talking about valuations and always remaining expensive and all. And when one gets these kind of opportunity, if one doesn't take advantage, then yes, obviously on every rise, if you want to buy, you will find the valuation expensive. So I would like to play at least partly contra here, and would like to start buying some of these stocks from the IT space, which has corrected sharply. Yes, even in this quarter, September quarter, when we have numbers, margin could be there, which is already well known. It's not that will be a negative surprise. On the other hand, rupee has been coming down, not that they get a very high advantage of the currency depreciation, because clients always renegotiate the rates and take large part of that advantage back with them in the rates that they give. But in a market in which, again, if we see FII is coming back, they will look for such sectors and stocks wherein there is a valuation correction, wherein there is an underperformance and under participation, and that's where they will come in. Again, with market correction, maybe there can be some more correction, but I would like to play contra here and start buying some of it.